Okay, so sort of statistics, which is the easiest way to think about elections, but election, representative sample, it's two elections, but estimate about, we're not going to go directly into this, so to kind of people that relation, relation, or draw a conclusion. We're going to talk about today a simple concept that, and we'll do the general concept here. So the science of drives or the parameter, or to estimate the statistics, just off the cuff, a parameter. We write the Greek letter represents a, we're really in this class, so those X bars as statistic represent a population, and we use p hat. We're going to vote for candidate. Interest could be in World War II, the Allies were able to capture the things, and they realized that. So this five's an estimate to know exactly how many things they had. You 5 series on the formula to estimate that, but there is a statistic slash statistics parameter. The 75th person calculates Q3 interest is forms measure any number of them. Statistic, 25th percentile. We'll discuss one up to 17-year-olds, but based on their sample, seems to be with our sample which was 71. Accurate estimate. I know that if we, and so called sampling variable. If we're going to look away, what we is going to get statistic and really important. And so this is here. Give me a hand when you are good to go. This will probably be a okay. So reddish, is that it? I think that's it. That are OP 10 billion. So what percent access like this? Yeah, what's the lowest percent of is 0? I have like half my first p half. And so what I'm doing is basically, if I wanted to make the true sampling distribution, I would have to take every possible sample of size 25 plot, and so trillions. The distribution is most. Let me show you kind of by hand to talk about this situation. I have a little Reese's Pieces simulator. Proportion of orange sugar. I've set it up, plot it on this. Here, I'll draw one sample, even though I see a pattern. So sometimes you're going to get less. Well, if the true around 0.5. All right. So a bunch of samples all at once without enter. So now we start to see hopefully familiar with centering around this distribution. It's not in the ideation of the population 0.5, and the more true population proportion, which is 0.5. Statistics that we're going to be talking about in this class and mean. All right, last couple of things that I need to define, and we'll do this. Let me get back to sharing. All right, a different machine that over and over again, I could get a sample where p hat is all possible is equal to the sampling distribution unbiased estimator. Makes sense, right? This way, if we're using, if that's the true estimates, spread is going to be depend on the size of the. All right, I will pause here again. Just give me a. And have bias due to various. On average, if that's high bias, statistic that gives you high bands, so you have high binding, low variability. It takes the sample. If you're looking, expect to get a piece of the rest. Often high variability, average those. We're going to call it there for the day.